how to send an email for beginners. So if you want to send an email for beginners, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your mail, your Gmail application, and then you need to go with Compose, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on Compose, now you'll get this kind of interface. So here on the first line or the first blank, you just need to simply select the account from which you would like to send. So for example, I'll be choosing my account, and then under to, you need to enter the person's address to whom you would like to send. So I'll be choosing an email address, and after that you can also add 2 or 3 persons, as many persons as you like. And after that, go with subject, and under subject you need to enter the topic or the subject of the message. So I'll be choosing trip and go with compose email, and under compose email you need to give a brief description about your talk. So I'll be writing. So once you've written, then you can simply go with send, which is on the upper side, tap on the arrow, and that's it, it has been sent. Now you can go with the upper left, which has that 3 bar, and then go with send, and under send you will have all of the things that you've sent. So that's how you can send an email for beginners, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.